Welcome to this quick overview of our latest asset, EpicPrefs. We'll quickly demonstrate how to use the visual editor as well as setting the prefs by code. So let's get started. Let's create a new Unity project, and first of all let's import the asset. Now it says it has to be cleaned up to use Unity 5 and stuff, but it was actually developed in Unity 5 and then simply uploaded in Unity 4.3 to get maximum compatibility, so you can click accept without any problems. Now when it's downloaded, simply import it to your project like you would do with every other asset. So when it's imported, let's first start off with the visual editor. So navigate to EpicPrefs. Here you can show the documentation or contact us for help. So let's open the editor and you will get this nice window. You can resize it and dock it everywhere like you would do with another editor window. So the first thing you probably want to do is reset the encryption keys. The passphrase can be anything. The initialization vector needs to be 60 bytes long. Put your preferences there. So then let's go over how to add a new type. There are there's a big list of supported types, so you can select one. They are the basic ones: lists of each, dictionaries, vectors, quaternions, colors, and even arrays. So let's simply pick a color. Type name here and click on the color to select a new one. You get this nice color picker here, so select your color and hit the apply button. Now you see the pref here. You can see the RGBA values and the text is colorized in the given color. So let's add another one. Maybe a list. Let's add a list. Give it a name and simply start adding values. Now you see, as you type, new fields appear, so you can really quickly fill these lists up. When you're happy, simply click the apply button again and you can see the list is there. So now you can also encrypt these values so they're not stored in plain text. To do this, simply hit this button and accept this. This will, if you hit the apply button, all changes are saved, so at the moment there's nothing unsaved, so you will not lose anything. Okay, so these values are now encrypted, and the cool thing about this editor is that you still see them in plain text. So you can add new values right there, and they are still going to be encrypted, and all the above are also encrypted, and you can edit them without decrypting them again. Okay, so these are now all encrypted. Yeah, you can play around with it. It's pretty powerful, and you can export these values right into your game when you're done. So let's take a look at adding prefs by code. Let's create a simple test script and open it up. Okay, so you're probably used to setting player prefs, the standard ones by Unity. The syntax is as follows. I guess you're used to it, and we really made our best to stick as close to these as possible. So when you're now using EpicPrefs, it's basically the same. You're writing EpicPrefs, set string, you put your name there and your value, and you can see these are all beautiful XML documented, so you can get the IntelliSense there, and the documentation is right at your hands. So the first two values are the same. The third one is optional, and it's for encryption. If you want to encrypt your values, simply put true in there. And if you don't want encryption, simply let the field away, because false is the default. So let's maybe add a list here by code, just to show that it's working. It's not an array list, sorry, a normal list. Let's add the using statements. Okay, so new list. And now let's add some values just to fill it up. Okay, so when your list is done, simply hit EpicPrefs.setList, give it a name. Oops, sorry, name first. Give it a name. Let's call it simply list name, and the list, and again the encryption parameter, what we let it to false. So that's it. Let's attach it to the camera. Did it work? Nope. Okay, let's try again. Yeah. So now when we hit play, what's cool about the editor is that if you edit the values by code, you will see the real-time changes right away. So if you now hit play, you will see that the values are updating immediately in the editor. So let's see. There we go. Now you got the value and the list. So let's click the expand the list, and there we have the values. So you see it's all nicely structured and very easy. These are the values we just did here. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps you, it pleases you. If you have any problems or want anything else, just contact us and we will make sure that your preferred type is added to the supported list. Thank you. Bye.